All right, guys, there you have it. I've got the power pole installed. This part was super easy. I didn't feel like there was an instructional video needed. You literally just mount it to this bracket. The bracket comes with these nuts and bolts. The power pole has instructions on how to install it. But once you've got your pump and your bracket installed, this is super easy. No need for an instructional video, really. The only thing I did different was from my hot wire on my pump, I ran to this switch right here, and I'll link this switch in the description. This is a switch from Tractor Supply. It's actually made for a tractor. It's a 35 amp waterproof switch, and I just drilled a hole, installed it, ran my hot wire to it, and then to my battery. Makes a noise and you're on. You have power. Go down. Back up. And you can change the speed of how fast or slow your power pole goes up and down. I did my hydraulic hoses straight through this pre-existing hole here. That was really easy. I ran them around, zip tied them to some of my fuel lines, shoved the excess down here, and then I was able to screw those on, no problem. Just make sure you do what the instructions say, because one hydraulic line is for up and one is for down. If you guys have any questions, let me know. This is super easy. I'll be glad to help you.